Okay, so we are trying to create a BOM, bill of material, for our equipment. Expand logistics, expand customer service, expand technical objects, expand BOM, equipment BOM, create. Double click on it. That's my equipment. Plant is 3000. And why I'm creating this BOM? I'm creating this for plant maintenance or customer service. You can also say universal. That means you can use it for anything. Universal. Okay. So you pick that. Then after that, click on this green tick mark, which is enter. Okay. It says it's only going to support the plant maintenance. Let's use plant maintenance. Enter. Okay. So once we do the equipment servicing or preventive maintenance or service management or breakdown maintenance, what kind of components you need? What is monitor and what will be the spare parts within that monitor? Okay. So item category, stock item, and to make this monitor, obviously you have cathode ray and all kinds of stuff. The people who knows electronics, hardware, you know what kind of parts you have in the monitor. Let's see, there may be some already available, created by somebody or loaded by someone into the system. So I'm going to pick, okay, monitor type 253. I need that. To make this monitor 5, I need this component. That's entire thing, one quantity. Hit enter. Okay, and you can have many more components also. For simplicity, I would like to just leave it here. So I'm going to say, to make this equipment, I have an equipment BOM. The component is this one. So I created equipment BOM for which equipment? For monitor. I created for monitor. Monitor 05. Okay. So to make monitor 05 or to repair monitor 05, all I'm saying is I need this component, which will be available in the stock. Okay. Where? Do I know where? Yes. Select this line item. Click on top menu, go to item. You are on basic data. Click on status long text. Storage location. Go to drop down. This is the storage location where this stock item is going to be available. Okay, you can go back. This is green arrow back. and save. Okay, so and in this whole process the material is this one. Equipment is monitor O5 and you created an equipment bomb. Okay, and for this material 253 300 we can put a serial number. So how to create a serial number? Let's go and take a look at it. All the way back, technical objects, serial numbers, expand, create, double click. Your material is Control V. And what is this one? Is it a equipment or is it a machine? It's a machine. Enter. The serial number 1 has come. You see this? This is serial number 1. And all you need to do is we haven't created any warranty. Okay, very good, and go ahead and save it. So serial number 1 is created. Serial number 1 is created. Okay, so if you want to create one more, this is the material category. I selected machine. I hit enter. Now I got serial number 2 is created. So serial number 2 is created because it's the same model, same color. So there should be a mechanism to identify uniquely. So the identification is the serial number. So you must have seen your laptops, your computers, your iPhones, everything will have a serial number. Okay, so even though iPhone 5s, even though it is white color, but the serial number is different. Okay, wonderful. So that's about the equipment and equipment bomb, material, serial numbers. Okay, so what I would like to do at this point, I'll stop my recording. Okay, so now we have the equipment. So to take care of that equipment, let it be preventive maintenance, let it be breakdown maintenance, but you need to have a process how to fix it. That is the process, that is the task. So the step-by-step process, which is going to be technical process for anyone, not only the maintenance technician or preventive maintenance technician, but in general technical know-how about fixing that is called a task. Create, double click on create. So this is the equipment monitor 5. That's the one we are using. Enter. First of all, it's going to ask what work center is going to take care of this maintenance work. So IT service, there is already a work center, a department which is responsible for this work. That's in a plant called 3000. Okay, and the next one would be usage. What would be the usage? This is obviously for plant maintenance. We need to pick 4 from the drop down, which is plant maintenance. The system is a little slow, so bear with me. So the task list is nothing but list of maintenance tasks and the status. So whenever you see a field with a tick mark, that's an indication that that particular field is mandatory, a required field. Okay, go to drop down. From the drop down, you should always select release general, number 4. Okay, and if you want a planner group, you can also pick a planner group. We will be responsible for this planner group 101, or if you select star, that would be for everyone. Okay, then the next one would be how many operations you have. Is it 1 operation or 2 operations to fix it, or 3 operations to fix it? Okay, so click on operations. So that will take you to the next screen where you can see the work center, the department, IT service department, which will be fixing it. 3000 is the plant. Control key PM01. So the PM01 is trying to control several parameters, and if you want to take a look at it, scroll down all the way till you see PM01. Okay, put your cursor in right there on PM01 and click on detail information. So the detail information for this particular control key PM01, it's doing scheduling of that operation, capacity calculation, cost calculation, printing the documents, and also confirmation is number 2. What is number 2? Is it mandatory or milestone confirmation possible? So confirmation is not milestone, but it is required. You got to confirm it. So these are the parameters it is controlling. Which one is controlling? The control parameter PM01. So what would be the first operation? First operation is identify identification of the problem, then fix the problem. Okay, so there are 3 operations. Usually we don't type it just like that. That is something which is coming from the real technical people. Okay, so in this case it is going to ask you the time also, how much time you take it. Identification 2 hours, fixing 4 hours, paperwork 1 hour. H hours. It's asking the unit of the value what I type in there. Is it number of minutes? Is it okay? Okay. So also, if you are anticipating that you are going to put some or replace some components, then you need to specify here components. So at what time, at what operation you need them, when you are fixing it, that time you need the components. So select 20, the middle operation, the second one, and over here you already know the products, right? So this is the one which I might need. So take that material, put that material right there. Two five three dash 300. So how many you might need? One. Okay, wonderful. If you want, you can save it, and you can save it if you want. But if you would like to revisit some of them, you can do so. This is header. This is where we have come from. The very first screen, if you remember. Then we went to operations. Then from operations, we went to this screen right here. And we went to components. And this is the component. We'll see the structure. Okay. So the structure is you have a monitor, and that needs another monitor. No, not another monitor. This monitor is basically monitor type 253, and again that has got type 100, type 200, basically the components, motherboards. Okay, so that's the whole structure. Okay, you can go back now and save it. Okay. So we have a task list created for the monitor. Okay, so the task what I created is equipment task. Like equipment bomb, this is equipment task. Okay, so I created equipment task. First equipment, then equipment bomb, equipment task. But the equipment, I haven't created this equipment. Okay, so if I want to create an equipment, how do I create? Let me show you how to create an equipment. Go back, all the way back. So it's not in the service agreements. The task list is over, so we are done. Collapse this. And okay, I need to put you menu path. Okay, so let me take this menu path for you. Customer service, service agreements, maintenance task list for equipment. Okay, so this is equipment tasks. So how do you create? This is how you create. Okay, very good. Now how do I create equipment? Okay. So the next thing is, how do I create equipment? Create an equipment. So how do you do that? Customer service, technical objects, equipment. Then double click on it. Double click on IE08. So what monitor you want to create? So I want to create LED monitor. Okay, so valid from today. Is this customer? No, this is not customer equipment. This is a machine LED monitor. Okay, so do you have a reference item where you want to copy from? Yes, I have a reference item which is monitor 05. Monitor 5 or 05. Is it 5 or 05? Monitor 05. Okay, enter. So do you want to copy everything or only just a few of them? I want to configure, I want to copy everything from this monitor 05. So that means literally I do not have to type anything. You see that? So all all I would like to do is LED monitor. I'm going to say insert okay LED monitor. So everything is same. So I might remove 19-inch and I will just leave it like that. Okay. Then manufacturer, I would like to say this monitor, right? Who will be the monitor? Uh, Dell. Okay. So location, same location, organization, same organization, structure, same structure, partner, same partners, sales and distribution, sales organization 3000, distribution channel 10, division 00. Okay. Service data. So what would be the service data for this one? The service data is going to be this guy who control C, control V, serial number 1. I created more than one. Serial number already existing for this one. Okay. Serial number 2, 2 already existing. 3, you took it. Okay. Serial number and the plant 3000. Status management change material. Do you want to? No, that's not. Okay, we'll just leave that information. Too much of changes. Warranty. Do I have a warranty master? No, I haven't created a warranty for this guy, so I don't have. Okay, so go ahead and save it. Then we get an equipment, brand new equipment, that is LED monitor. So LED monitor is created. Control Y, Control C, Control V. Create an equipment. Okay, LED monitor. Very good. So that's the CS. Next time, save. Okay, so that should be it. I'm going to close